How to earn Robux without spending money. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can earn Robux without spending money. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, go to the search bar on the top and search for Roblox. If you see any update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. If no updates are available, go back to your homepage. From your homepage, open Roblox app on your device. In Roblox, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now from the very bottom panel, go to the avatar section. In the avatar section, you will see an interface like this. Earning Robux for free is possible, though it requires efforts and creativity. If you have a Roblox premium subscription, you can design and sell items like shirts or pants in the avatar shop. You can also try to create game passes for games you develop and sell them to earn Robux. Also, use Roblox Studio to create a game and monetize it with the game passes. You can promote your game to attract players and generate income. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.